Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I just wanted to do a little skincare update, kind of routine. Not much in my routine per se has changed. It's still the same kind of order, cleanser, occasional exfoliator, but I do have some new products that I want to talk about because I do think that they have been helping my skin. Now, right now isn't my best day that I've had with these new products. I'm kind of like, okay, like, I won't say I'm PMSing, but I'm just eating like I'm PMSing, so I know that that shows up on my skin. But so far, I've been kind of happy just with how my products have been, how my face has been receiving the products that I put on it, and that's all thanks to this lovely, lovely Jade Roller. Now, I keep it in a bag like this. I'll take it out for you guys because I do keep mine in the freezer and I just don't want it to be bumped into everything else that's in the freezer. But this is it. I got it on Amazon. It was about $8 and I liked it so much that I got one for my mom and my dad. I do this in the morning. I follow just the routine of just putting oil on and working upwards towards the sky. You don't want to pull anything on your face down. But it's been almost, I guess you could say, almost 50 days since I've been using this, and because I got it in November. The results that I can definitely say I've seen is, first of all, like my moisturizer, my skin absorbs my moisturizer so much better. I don't have to use as much as I was using in the past because I just think that this helps with my cells and all that kind of scientific information that a Jade Roller does that I don't have for you, but I've noticed that change. My skin just has a better glow to it. It's just like, it's almost being rejuvenated, and that's what I like about it. Secondly, what I have noticed is that my scar time, my like turnover time is a lot faster. I don't break out that often, but when I do, I'm bound to get a scar. It's just kind of like hand in hand. Whether I pick at it, whether I leave it, it's gonna scar because my skin is sensitive. And usually those scars can take, I don't know, I've had scars for like 3-4 months, kind of just chilling on my face. With this, I start to see that they're healing a lot faster. So I just feel like the cell reproduction, all of that fun stuff in our skin, this is helping with the circulation to help my skin heal faster and to look better, which I'm all here for. So just want to show you guys some of the new products that I've been using in my beauty routine. First of all, this is the Garnier 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask. I just got this from, I had gotten it from a coworker, and I think it was perfect timing because I just ran out of moisturizer, so I use this. It is a little bit thick, but what I like about it is it smells really good, and it does, like, it's fast absorbing for sure. It's lightweight, and it does, my skin absorbs it very, very well. So I like this. I typically usually, what was I using before this? I was using Kate Somerville, but I ran out of that one, so I just started to use this, and it's been working pretty well for me so far. Speaking of Kate Somerville, I still have the exfoliating treatment. I wouldn't use it for more than 30 seconds, and that's what I do. But that kind of helps just keep, you know, all those little imperfections that come, and it helps with my texture and all that great stuff. I really do like it. I probably will repurchase this. I didn't repurchase the moisturizer, but this is something that I find that is working really well for my skin, so I'm going to get it again. The next skincare product that I have, and this is rather new, is the Origins Hello Calm Relaxing and Hydrating Face Mask with Cannabis, Sativa, and Seed Oil. So there's that for you. And what it's supposed to do is calm your skin, bring in moisture, obviously, and soothe. I've only used this a few times, so I can't give you too much information on it, but what I will say is that it's very soothing. It smells really good. You kind of feel like you're at a spa when you're using it. So I use this every once in a while as well. I kind of alternate between my exfoliator and these type of masks just to kind of bring moisture back into my skin, calm it down. I tend to notice that I guess my skin is a little sensitive to what's in the air, because when I had my curly bangs down over my face, typically people would think, oh, the oil from your hair is going to make you break out. My skin is actually its clearest when I have some form of a bang. The minute I lift that bang up, I get little bumps and stuff because I think my skin's just sensitive to the pollution and the toxins in the air, and this is really great to use because it does help soothe it. So, my last product for my skincare beauty kind of update is not for my face, but for my lips. So it is the I never know how to pronounce that, but it's a lip sleeping mask. And I had gotten this a while ago in my Ipsy bag when I was using Ipsy. And I stopped using it, but I'm now back on it. I just put this on at night instead of using like Blistex or what I normally, or Vaseline, just to moisturize my lips. And I sleep overnight, and it just, in the morning, your lips feel very, very soft, which is something that we should all want because nobody likes ashy lips. It's supposed to nourish and plump. I personally don't think I need much more plumping than I already have, but I do feel that my lips are just really hydrated, very soft. And I think sometimes your lips is kind of one of those areas that you can forget about. As women, I feel like we put a lot on our lips for the most part, like matte lipsticks, regular lipsticks, gloss, whatever it is, we're constantly kind of putting stuff on it. And so it's good to just kind of revive it every once in a while, give it some love and TLC. Love and TLC. Give it some TLC, and I tend to just pay attention to my skin and forget about my lips sometimes, so that's why I like to use it, and so far, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching my updated skincare routine. I just wanted to share with some products with you guys. Have any of you tried any of these products? How do you feel about jade rolling? Are you curious about it? You should be now, because it's honestly one of the greatest things I think I have seen in terms of tools for the face that I can use. It's very practical, it's lightweight, it's small, doesn't require a lot of effort, and I've seen the results for my skin, so I really do enjoy it. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next time in my next video.